How to block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can block someone on Facebook without waiting for 48 hours. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to basically block someone on Facebook, usually what happens is that if you went to the block list, you wanted to unblock a certain person, it says me if I want to block them again, you'll have to wait 48 hours if I want to block this particular person again. So certainly, maybe you happen to unblock someone accidentally, they started harassing you right away, and then you would want to block them again, but Facebook says you to wait 48 hours. But that's not always the case. In order to block them again within 48 hours, you can always try to report them. When you try to report them, Facebook will basically give you an option to block them. So in this case, you can basically go to one of your friends option here, and then you can simply select any random profile here. After you do that, tap the three dots option on the right hand side of the screen. Then you just tap on the option called report profile. Then here you can select an option called harassment or bullying. Then make sure to tap on it. From there, one of the options here you'll find is block this person's profile. So instead of trying to block them directly, try to report them, and then you'll find an option called block this person's profile and tap the done option from the bottom. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.